Okay guys, listen up. I'm about to tell you about the one side hustle that can change your entire life right now, and it's probably not what you're thinking. Want to have the potential to make more money working 15 hours a week? Maybe even more money than you used to at your full-time job? And the craziest part, you can do it in your pajamas while your beautiful fur babies are running around at your feet. But before I go there, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you missed the whole entrepreneurship boat? Like maybe you're just too old now to start something new, or maybe you're terrified of technology and think, I can't compete with those 20-something-year-olds on TikTok. Friend, I felt all of that, but what I discovered will blow your mind, and I'm going to prove to you in the next 10 minutes why becoming a virtual assistant isn't just a side hustle, it's a secret weapon for financial freedom in midlife. Stay with me because I'm also giving away a free midlife assessment and blueprint at the end of the video that's going to help women in midlife create lasting change. Hi, for those of you who do not know me, I am Dr. Cheryl Russell, and I am living proof that midlife can be your launch pad, not your finish line. I hold a PhD and am a former C-suite executive who has led statewide consulting teams, mentored thousands of small businesses across the state, and evaluated programs at the national level. But here's the thing. At 49, my own life flipped completely upside down, and I had to reinvent myself using some of the tools that I created as an executive. Today, my mission is to help and inspire other women in midlife rediscover their joy and design their next chapter with purpose, clarity, and confidence. The truth is, ladies, if I can do this, you definitely can do this. So let me paint you a picture. When I was 51, I was passed up for a promotion. After decades in the corporate world, I was done. I just didn't want to play someone's game anymore. I had to find a way to make change. Scrolling through job postings, realizing that competing with people half my age and jobs half the pay is what I used to do. The worst part, your 25 years of experience managing teams, budget, and complex projects apparently don't matter when you have a few gray hairs and some beautiful laugh lines. You're not alone. Research shows that women entrepreneurs face unique challenges, especially when it comes to online marketing and technology systems. But here's what nobody talks about. Midlife women have superpowers that younger entrepreneurs just don't have. We have emotional intelligence. We have relationship building skills. We know how to solve problems without drama. And we're not afraid of hard work because we've been doing it our entire lives. But the problem is we don't know how to package these skills into a profitable business. That's where the virtual assistant world comes in. Think of it this way. Most people don't realize how valuable basic organizational skills are to overwhelmed business owners. Helping some entrepreneurs organize their calendar and respond to emails, you can make a lot of money. Sounds too good to be true, but think about it. Every skill developed in my corporate career, project management, email organization, customer service research, scheduling, these aren't outdated skills, they're gold mine. Here's what's happening in the business world right now. Entrepreneurs are drowning in busy work. They're brilliant at their thing, whether it's coaching, consulting, or selling products, but they're spending 60% of their time on tasks that someone else could do better. And that someone else, that's you. And real quick, if this speaks to you, hit that subscribe button. It tells YouTube you want to hear about thriving in midlife. And honestly, your engagement really keeps me motivated to share this kind of information. So here's the secret tool that changed my life. It's not some fancy software or expensive course. It's a simple framework I call the Skills Translation Blueprint. Let me break it down for you. Take every frustrating thing you dealt with in the corporate America and flip it into a service. Skill number one, Meeting management. Remember sitting those endless, pointless meetings? Well, entrepreneurs hate scheduling and running meetings too. And you can change that just to set up their calendars, send them reminders, and take notes. Skill number 2 is email management. You know how you were, always the one people came to when they couldn't figure out how to organize their inbox. Business owners will pay big bucks to tame their email chaos. Skill number 3 is research and problem solving. Remember when you had to figure out everything with no budget and impossible deadlines? Entrepreneurs need that superpower. They'll pay you to research suppliers, competitors, or find solutions to problems they don't have time to solve. Now, let me tell you why this works so beautifully for women in midlife, because there's actual psychology behind this. First, we have what psychologists call crystallized intelligence. That's a fancy way to say that we've seen everything before. When a client has a crisis, we don't panic. We raised teenagers. We've managed households during recessions, and we dealt with difficult people for decades. We solve problems with wisdom, not the energy. Studies show that women entrepreneurs often struggle with confidence about pricing and in talking about their value. And here's the beautiful thing about virtual assistant work. You're not selling you, you're selling specific solutions to specific problems. And here's the secret. Entrepreneurs love working with mature women because we're not going to flake out, start any drama, or disappear when things get challenging. We show up, we do the work, and we communicate like adults. Plus, let's be real. You've been managing schedules, solving problems, and keeping things organized for free for your family for decades. It's time to get paid for those skills. All right, so you're thinking, that sounds amazing, but where do I even start? I've got you covered. Step 1, skill inventory. Make a list of everything you did in your last job, not just your official duties, but everything. Were you the one who planned the office parties? That's event coordination. Did you train new employees? That's course creation and documentation. Step 2, pick your lane. Don't try to do everything. Pick 3 to 5 services you can offer confidently. You can start with email management, calendar scheduling, and customer service support. Step 3, set up your simple systems. You don't need fancy tools. You can start with a Google Calendar, Gmail, and maybe Zoom. That's it. Just try and reach out to 5 entrepreneurs in your network and offer to organize their mail for free for a week. This shows them your value, and then you can set your price. Step 4, price like you mean it. Start with a good dollar amount per hour. I know that feels scary, but remember, you're solving problems that are costing them way more time. Listen, I know you might be sitting there thinking, that sounds too good to be true, or I'm not tech savvy enough. What if I fail? Let me tell you something. The same voice that's telling you that you're too old or you're too behind or you're too whatever, that voice is lying to you. You have spent decades making other people's lives easier. You've solved countless problems, managed impossible schedules, and kept things running smoothly while everyone else got credit. It's time to get paid for those superpowers. Let me remind you, if you ever felt lost after a major life change and you didn't know how to move forward, I created something called the Midlife Reinvention Assessment and Blueprint to help you find clarity, confidence, and your next chapter. It's the step-by-step guide I wish I had when I felt completely lost. Inside, I walk you through exercises to uncover your hidden strengths, test drive new directions, and rebuild an identity that feels aligned. If you're ready to stop drifting and start designing your next chapter of your life with clarity and confidence, check it out. The link is in the description. So here's what I want you to do. Right now in the comments, tell me one skill you have that you think entrepreneurs might need. Just one. Don't overthink it. And if this video opened your eyes as to the possibility you hadn't considered before, hit that like button. because it tells YouTube to show this to more women who need to hear this message as well. Remember, age isn't a limitation. It's your competitive advantage. And go out there and show the world what women over 50 can do. I'll see you in the next video where we discuss other ways to make money. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Now, go make some magic happen. Until next time.